In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download lead form from Facebook Ads Manager, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your MetaLead ad submissions into a clean CSV file you can open in Excel, Google Sheets, or import into your CRM. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser for the business that owns the page connected to your lead ads. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct business and page so you see the right forms and campaigns. If you don't see what you expect later, this is the first thing to double check. Next, look for all tools. This opens the full menu of features, and it's the quickest way to get to everything you need in one place. If your sidebar is collapsed, you might see a grid icon. Click that to expand. Take a moment to confirm you're in ads-related tools. Now, open Lead Center. This is where Meta collects all the leads generated by Instant Forms across Facebook and Instagram. Give the page a second to load. Once it does, you'll see your leads and options to filter by time range, campaign, ad set, and form. If you work with multiple pages, confirm you're viewing the correct one at the top. Before downloading, choose the specific form or campaign you want. Use the filters to narrow by the exact instant form, campaign, or time frame. This is important because the file you download will reflect your current view. If you only want leads from one form or a recent window, set those filters now. You can also sort by newest or oldest to visually confirm the selection looks right. When your view is set, click the download icon to export your leads as a CSV. It's usually near the top right of Lead Center. Some accounts let you confirm the date range during export. Pick the range that matches your filters. Save the file to a secure location and give it a clear name with the form and date range so it's easy to track later. Once downloaded, open the CSV to review the data. You'll typically see contact fields, form answers, submission time, and sometimes the campaign or ad name. If you plan to import into a CRM, leave the file as CSV to avoid formatting issues. Handle the file carefully since it contains personal information, and consider keeping a backup. If you don't see any leads, adjust the date range, verify the selected page and form, and ensure you have the right permissions in Business Suite. And that's it. Quick, accurate, and ready for analysis or follow-up.